Okay, so this is funny. On the way to go make a video about catching frogs. And we'll see what else we catch. And here's one right here at the front yard. I think that's just an American toad, I'm not sure. That's pretty funny. So about to head out to the swamp, so we'll see what's up, y'all. Hey y'all, welcome back to Outdoors with No-No. Today we're going out herping, so that's going to be like catching frogs and snakes and whatever else we can really find at night here. So we're just out here on the bank of the Mississippi, and let's see what we can find. What is that?
My guess is one of those cricket frogs. We have the northern and the southern cricket frogs. And I was reading that I think it's the southern cricket frogs they both have lines on the backs of their legs or something, and like the northern ones are cleaner and the southern are like more splotchy or something.
Oh, he already moved. Got some shrooms going too. What's this? Is it just a bunch of clay? It's just weird how it all got.
I didn't hear you were coming. Yeah, it don't look like no road out there. Maybe the road's right. You know what it is? The road's next to this. We gotta go a little further. This is the big field next to it. That's like a swamp. So the road is another like 50 feet down. There's a bunch here, dude. I see 3 of them.
I mean, these look a little different. I don't know. Than the first one. Or you think they're all the same? I feel like this.
They have a lot of bullfrogs out here, but they also have the leopard frogs too. We were catching those out here, and then just tree frogs. This seems like a fine snake area.
I know, it looks like a great spot to catch some stuff. I think a tractor was back here, clearing it all up?
Mm-hmm.
All right, so we're walking further.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that's a big jump.
big frog.
Bullfrog?
I don't know. It was 3 or 4 inches.
Oh, poison ivy.
Oh yeah? Where?
This
There?
one right here, and then that one right there, yeah. Shoulda, woulda. Shoulda, woulda. Oh shit, got some shoes here, Nate. Usually the water's right there. Here's a cool muffin. Where at? Okay, look at that. Got the app on my phone. Let's see if I get it to film. Where is it? Can't get it to get focus. Oh, whoop. Just thinking, oh Jesus.
Yeah. You need like snowshoes, bro. Wow, this is all water. This is all just water.
You think I can make that? I don't think.
I haven't made it yet. Oh shit, that's a different kind, dude. That's not regular.
Huh.
Yeah, get a good shot of him, dude.
I'm pretty sure it's good. I don't know.
Yeah, 'cause I mean, you could look it up.
Those. That's a fat frog right there, bruh.
You can look it up later and say what it is.
Yeah. I've seen one of those one other time. And it's just funny how they don't have a neck.
Yeah.
It's like a no neck frog. Yeah, that's the regular one right there. Whew.
You alright? Baby moth, maybe.
Look. That's his head right there. You see it? Right under those leaves.
Mm-hmm. Thought I had a moccasin.
I don't know. You can see a lot of them, but his belly does have some color to it. He's going back toward the pole. He's kind of curling around.
You saw him?
He's going that way. I'm still in the fling direction. Yeah, he does have a lot of
This is a nice space right here.
Yeah. That's not. Disappears. All right. Oh, I want to lift that log up, Nate, that you're on, and just see what comes out. They're probably hanging out here eating all these little frogs, you know?
Yeah, I mean, there's all kinds of bugs. We saw
Alright.
crickets, we saw roaches.
You ready?
They're eating all that. You want me to lift it so you can film?
No, that's good.
There he goes. Here he is.
You want me to just put it back? Oh, that's the bigger one.
Yeah. He's not a moccasin.
Here he is. He's coming right to us. What is that, a banded water snake?
Could be.
Good. Right where we want you, buddy.
Not necessarily.
Oh, now he's gone.
No, I see him.
I know. But it's getting close.
Oh, the stick's too big.
Oop.
He's right.
Okay.
This one. He does kind of have a head shape on that.
Well, he's getting a little, scared, so he's gonna do some defensive stuff. Okay. Let me help you out.
Oh, I don't like that knife. You know? Alright, you let him know.
I don't know, man.
It's
been so long. You wanna,
I'm covering red ants.
would be... You want me to get him off? You good?
Not yet.
Dude, that red on his belly is cool.
Yeah.
You want me to check your hand out?
No, it's just the ones that already got me, I'm feeling.
Bullfrog?
Yeah.
My light's going dead. Don't do nothing too crazy. Yeah.
Oh my god.
And there he goes. I can't go that way. That is funny. He was just hopping and hopping?
Dude, it's like chasing an otter. He was huge.
Oh shit.
I lost a dog in it.
Oh my god. I mean, I'm sure even he's struggling to just jump through all that mess, you know?
It would be both.
Yeah. That's freaking... I was like, there he goes, y'all. I can't join in that. It's got all those babies on it. That's just a wolf spider, huh?
I'm not sure. You got my fingernails all polished.
That's fine. Whoop.
Did you get it?
Get him running away? Sure.
Shit, dude.
Damn.
Bad.
Bugs in the mouth.
Damn.
He was cute.
Dude, he was fucking awesome.
You pulled a Eevee. Don't drop it. He's real slippery.
Does your neighbor's yard still have a whole fucking farm here?
Yes. Yes.
There's a pretty cool grasshopper on one of these days. Nothing wants to mess with it. It's pretty big.
Oh wow. Yeah, no green tree frogs gonna eat that. A little too big. Thanks for joining me on another episode of Outdoors with No. I'll try to keep getting some more content out there for everybody. And also, thank you for the support. I appreciate everyone.